Hello, millennial parents. I'm sure you are investing so much of time and effort so that your child lives a very fulfilling and successful life. You've gone to select the best schools, you've gone to select the best coaching classes, tuitions, online classes, and everything. But there is one aspect in which we are still lagging as parents. And me, myself, being a parent myself, I understand that the parents are still unaware and not fully seeing the picture of how AI is going to impact their child's future. Because AI, let me tell you, is not just coding classes. It is a complete environment in which your child will stay. And that is why it is very high time that our kids need our guidance. Let's not keep the kids on the mercy of either school or tuition classes into understanding how to deal with AI, how to deal with different applications and different things that are there on the internet, which are so new to the child, and the child is bound to get confused in it. So I have come up with a way in which the parents have this awareness about what is AI and what are the easy tips and tricks what they can do at home, so that their child is well aware about AI and the child behaves in a way from background. For example, I am into corporate AI. I build AI applications and I know what goes behind the scene for these AI applications and what they are making you and your child think. So now imagine that I am bringing this perspective of behind the scenes to you parents, and you can use this knowledge of mine and help guide your children. I have just created a course that is a wonderful, wonderful course in which there are tips and tricks, and it is step by step guiding you parents on how you can basically make your child aware and more conscious. So, and just let me tell you, the content of that course is so amazing. I would just urge you to look at the content. So read my bio and comment below content, and I'll give you all the content of that course. If you like it, join it and join my community of more than 1 lakh conscious parents. So see you around, parents.